Hello and welcome to GPT-4 tutorials. In this video, I will share you how to use ChatGPT for free. Your one-stop destination for mastering AI-driven tools. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT-4 for free, the latest addition to the GPT family. We'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can start leveraging the power of GPT-4 without spending a dime. If you're ready to dive into the world of AI and ChatGPT, stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tutorials just like this one. Now, let's dive into today's video and kickstart your GPT-4 mastery journey. First, you go to chat.forefront.ai. Go to Sign Up. Create your account. Connect with your Google account and another option, input your email and create account. Welcome to your new account. At the heart of Forefront are messages with personas, where you can ask questions, assign tasks, or just chat. Get started with one of these messages or type your own below. After, move to Next. Select your chats and folders. Created by defaults. Move to Next. Select by default created personas. And chat with us. Move to Next step. And share your chat app with your friends and social media accounts. And finish now. You see all your created folder here. Go to New Chat tab and create a new chat tab. And go to Folder section and create a new folder. And move to any folder already created. In your chat section. At the heart of Forefront are messages with personas, where you can ask questions, assign tasks, or just chat. Get started with one of these messages or type your own below. Select any persona and chat now. I choose Taylor Swift bot and chat now. You can see here your ChatGPT version 3.5. You go to your Add tab and change your version GPT-4. and start chat with your latest version. Next, move to your another chat. Albert Einstein. I am a creation of OpenAI, an organization that develops advanced artificial intelligence models. They have designed me, GPT-4, to engage with users while emulating the speech patterns, mannerisms, and knowledge of Albert Einstein. So, while I am not the real Albert Einstein, I am here to provide you with information and engage in discussions as if I were him. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please feel free to ask. And that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT-4 for free and unlock its incredible potential. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we can't wait to see the amazing things you'll create with GPT-4. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. To stay updated on the latest AutoGPT tutorials and AI-driven tool guides, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for joining us today on AutoGPT Tutorial, and we'll see you in the next video.